Hello students, let us study Rahim ke dohe. In the last class and all we studied dohes, 4 dohes. Today we will study 2 dohes, Tulasi ke dohe. If you have book, take page number 472. Dohe. 5th dohe, mukiya, muka, muk so chahiye, mukiya, muk so chahiye, kan pan ko ek. Then palai, posai, palai, posai, sakala, sakal, inka, ank, tulasi, sahita, sahit, vivek, मुख्य मुख सो चाहिए, कान पान को एक, पालई पोसई सकल अंक, तुलसी सहित विवेक. मुख्य मुख सो चाहिए, कान पान को एक, पालई पोसई सकल अंक, तुलसी सहित विवेक. These 6 are Kandasthu Dohe. This dohe is written by Tulasi, Hindi poet Tulasidas. Mukhya mukso chahiye. Let us read the meaning. Let us learn the meaning. Meaning is not important, but you should know the meaning so that you can keep in mind, and you should know to memorize. You should know to write without seeing. Mukhya mukso chahiye. Mukhya means leader. Mukh means mouth. So chahiye. The leader should be as a mouth. Compound. Why Tulasidas is comparing the leader to a mouth means we are all eating our food through our mouth only. Compound means food. Even we are eating all our food through our mouth. The mouth shares all the food equally to the all parts of the body, and it is like that the leader should look after all his men as equally. This is the meaning of this poem. मुख्य मुख सो चाहिए, कान पान को एक, पालई पोसल सकल अंग, तुलसी सहित विवेक. Then 6th, तुलसी मीठे वचनते, तुलसी मीठे वाचाना वचनते, सुका सुख, उबाजाता उपजत, सुख उपजत चकु ओर, वसीकरण यह मंत्र है, परहिरु वचन कठोर. तुलसी मीठे वचनते, सुख उपजत चकु ओर, वसीकरण यह मंत्र है, परिहिरु वचन कठोर. This dohe is also written by Tulasidas. Tulasidas, what advice Tulasidas is giving is, meete vachan means we should always speak sweet words. So sukh means happy, ubadat chaku or means it will gives happiness in all sides. If you speak sweet words, sukh means happy, ubajat means produce, it will produce happy in all sides. Vasikaran means attracting. Yah mantra hai. This is the attractive mantra. What is attracting mantra means speaking sweet words is the attractive mantra. It will attract all the persons. Parahiri vachan kator. Parahiri means leave. Vachan kator means hard words. So you should leave the hard words. Once again, तुलसी मीठे वचन ते, सुख उपजत चकु ओर, वसीकरण यह मंत्र है, परहिरु वचन कठोर means what Tulasidas is advising means you should always use sweet words so that sweet words will produce happy in all sides. It will attract, the sweet words will attract everyone. that is the attracting mantra. So parahiri means leave it, chod do. Vachan kator means you should, so you should all should leave speaking hard words, all should follow, all should speak always only the sweet words. So once again let us recall all the dohes. साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप सुबाय, सार सार को गही रहे तोता देई उड़ाय. नेक्स्ट धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कछु होय, माली सींचे सौगड़ा रुदु आये फल होय, तरवर फल नहीं कात गई सरवर पियई ही न पान, कही रहीम पर काज हित संपत्ति संचही सुजान. थर्ड वन, फोर्थ वन, रहीमन देखी बड़ेन को लगू न दीजिए डारी, जहाँ काम आवे सुई कहा करे तरवारी. मुख्य मुक्सो चाहिए कान पान को एक, पाले पोसे सकल अंक, तुलसी सहित विवेक. तुलसी मीठे वचन ते सुख उपजत चखु वो, वसीकरण यह मंत्र है परहिरु वचन कठोर. Next one, let us study the Vandana. Vandana this is the prayer song. This song is written by, this poem is written by Ram Naresh Tripathi. This is a prayer song. In this prayer, in this poem, the poet requests the God to listen. The हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए, शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों को दूर हमसे कीजिए. निंदा किसी के हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करें, निंदा किसी को हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करें, ईर्ष्या कभी भी हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करें. हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें, प्रेम से हम संस्कृति की नित्य ही सेवा करें. हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए, हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए. So this is the prayer song. This is written by Ram Naresh Tripathi. In this poem, the poet requests the God to give all these qualities. Hey Prabhu, that means oh God. Ananda Data means the person who gives us happy. Jnaan हमको दीजिए. Ananda Data means this, it refers God. हम ज्ञान means knowledge, हमको means us, दीजिए means give. ज्ञान हमको दीजिए means please give us knowledge. हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए means oh God please give us knowledge. शीघ्र सारे दुर्गुणों से दूर हमसे से कीजिए means शीघ्र means quickly, सारे means whole, durguno means bad qualities. The poet requests the God to remove all the bad characters from us quickly. What is the meaning of these two lines? Hey Prabhu Ananda Data Jnaan Humko Dijiye means the poet requests the God to give us knowledge, and he also requests the God to remove the bad qualities from bad characters from us quickly. Third line, निंदा किसी के भी किसी की हम किसी से भूल कर भी ना करें means we should not find fault on others. We should not find fault on others even by unknowingly. Even by unknowingly also we should not find fault on others. We should not to get jealous on anyone. We should not give. ईर्ष्या means jealous. कभी भी हम ईर्ष्या भी भूल कर means unknowingly be. Even by unknowingly we should not to get jealous on everyone. निंदा किसी से भी हम किसी के भूल कर भी ना करें means unknowingly we should not. Even by unknowingly we should not find fault on others. Unknowingly we should not to get jealous on everyone. हे प्रभु का आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए. ओ गॉड प्लीज गिव अस नॉलेज. देन थर्ड पैराग्राफ, प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें. प्रेम से हम संस्कृति के नित्य, प्रेम means with love, हम गुरुजनों means teachers, नित्य daily, सेवा करें means we should do service to our teachers daily with love. प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें means with love we should do service to our teachers. प्रेम से हम संस्कृति की नित्य की सेवा करें means like that we should do service to our culture with love. हे प्रभु आनंद दाता ज्ञान हमको दीजिए means oh God please give us knowledge. That is the meaning of this poem. In this poem, in the exam they will give only these 4 lines. For that what you should, this is the ERC where you should note down who this poem, by whom this poem was written by, and you should note to write the meaning of this poem in English. Vandana, this is a prayer song. This is written by Ram Naresh Tripathi. In this poem, the poet requests the God to give us knowledge. And he also requests the God to remove the bad qualities, bad characters from us quickly. And he requests the God, even by unknowingly we should not find fault on others. Even by unknowingly we should not get jealous on everyone. Oh God, please give us knowledge. Then प्रेम से हम गुरुजनों की नित्य ही सेवा करें means with love we should do service to our teachers daily. With love we should do service to our culture. Oh God, please give us knowledge. I think this poem is clear up to this one. So all of you study the dohe and this meaning of this poem, 4 lines. The meaning is in this page number. That it's enough to learn the meaning of this poem of this 3 line only, second paragraph only, that is given in the page number 190. So all of you mark this poem, mark this page and write like this. Thank you students.